Have you ever wanted to become a completely new version of yourself, away from the prying eyes of others? Imagine disappearing into the shadows, working silently, and re-emerging as a transformed person, ready to shock the world. In this video, we'll explore the powerful art of disappearing, and transforming yourself into someone you're proud of. Ready to embark on this secretive journey of self-reinvention? Let's dive in. Why disappear? The more you open your life up for display, the more people find ways to drag you down. It's a natural sociological phenomenon. But there's something incredibly powerful about disappearing and working in the shadows. Becoming unavailable and committing to becoming the next version of yourself in secret is exhilarating. When you reappear, your transformation will shock the world, but here's the funny thing, when you do, you won't care. You'll learn in the shadows that the only opinion that truly matters is yours. In this video, I'll break down the process into 3 key parts for you. 1. How to disappear. 2. What to do in the shadows. 3. How to reappear. Each step is crucial, especially the last one, so make sure you follow closely. Let's dive into how you can disappear the right way. Part 1, How to disappear. 1. Shut your mouth. Your mouth betrays you more than you know. You need to get it under control. Stop speaking openly about your life to everyone else. This includes your family, your friends, and your co-workers, no one except your life partner, and that's only if you know they genuinely want you to succeed and crush it. I hope the answer is yes, but if not, this might be a solo journey. Controlling your mouth takes time because our natural habit is to spill information. It's coded into us for the survival of the species. Fight that instinct if you truly want to disappear properly. Learn to catch thoughts before they leave your mouth. Become a mystery to everyone, and then you'll be able to move in the shadows. 2. Only care what you think. The opinions of others no longer matter. To disappear and stay hidden, you must reprogram your mind. First, understand that most people don't care about you as much as you think. This false belief dictates a lot of your actions. You need to kill that part of you that cares what others think. Create a version of yourself in your mind that you aspire to become. Obsess over what that person thinks about you. That's the only opinion that matters. Ask yourself, would I be proud of myself? Would I be happy with what I did? We're often driven by others' perceptions, so flip the script. Make yourself the other person whose opinion you value. Through this process, you'll become less of a puppet to others and more in control of your own life. It's not easy, and it takes practice and repetition, but it's worth it. Share your experiences in the comments if you've mastered this trick and explain how. 3. Hide your plans. As you journey through transformation, you'll develop ambitious plans. It's exciting, and you'll want to share these plans with those around you. But don't. Keep those plans close to your chest, like passwords to your treasure. Think of it this way, every time you share your plans, you reduce your chances of achieving them by 5%. Speaking openly about your plans satisfies others but hurts you. Stop being careless. Be surgically intentional. If you need advice or expertise to aid your planning, do so with precision and focused intent. Find the exact right person, reveal only the bare minimum, obtain the knowledge you need, and disappear again. 4. Hide your progress. Progress will come, it may take time, but it will happen. You'll notice that progress is more easily achieved when you disappear, but don't let anyone see it. Don't show off your improved physique, wealth, or skills. Focus on your transformation. Reverting to old habits mid-transformation could reverse all your progress and put you back at square one. The urge to share your successes will be strong, but flex your willpower and keep things under wraps. Use that energy to fuel your efforts even more. Channeling that energy back into your journey helps propel you to the next level, and we're all about leveling up on this channel. So, like and subscribe to stay engaged in the discovery and discussion. 5. Hide your tears. Disappearing and crushing it in the shadows is tough. You'll face physical and mental challenges, and there will be moments when you feel like you can't go on. You might instinctively want to vent to a close friend or seek comfort from family. But you must resist. Hide your tears, blood, and failures. Scream into the wind if you must, but do it alone. Let each moment of pain be the catalyst that catapults you to another level of performance. Embrace those moments because that's when a new you emerges. Embrace the pain and even look forward to it. This is true beast mode, and now, we're ready to transform. Part 2, What to do in the shadows. 1. Pick your targets for transformation. To become something through this process, you must know exactly what that something is. Be specific. What do you want to build? Do you want to be unrecognizably fit? Do you want to have a thriving business? Whatever it is, be very clear about your goals. Write them down and put them somewhere you can see them, but remember, no one else should see them. 2. Revolve your life around crushing it. Every waking hour should be planned with your goals in mind. Become obsessed. This should be your mission in life. Dedicate every breath to it. Everything you do should be intentional, and should aid in crushing your goals. Move closer to resources that support your transformation. Join classes that teach you the skills you need. Timebox your day so that you spend at least a few hours working on your transformation. Dedicate a day each week to reviewing your plans, updating them, tracking your progress, and breaking down larger goals into manageable steps. Do whatever it takes. 3. Reprogram your mind. Happiness is crushing it. You'll need to embrace this disappearing act and love working in the shadows. It may feel strange at first, but eventually, you'll find yourself enjoying the solitude and the focus it brings. This includes a significant shift in your thinking, a reprogramming of your mind. It's a critical part of your positive transformation, so embrace it and let the change happen. Once you've completed your transformation, you can reappear, but something interesting will occur along the way. You might find that you no longer need to reappear. You'll become one with the shadows, and your life will transform beyond your expectations. You'll continue pushing toward bigger and better goals, remaining a mystery to most, and finding peace in the shadows. Part 3, How to Reappear. 1. The Grand Reappearance. Once you've transformed into the best version of yourself, you can choose to reveal your new self to the world. But remember, this isn't about seeking applause, it's about living your truth and letting your transformation speak for itself. 2. Inspire others. Use your journey as inspiration for others who want to embark on their own paths of transformation. Show them that change is possible, and that it leads to a more fulfilling life. Are you ready to become a new version of yourself, away from the eyes of the world? Remember, the only opinion that matters is yours. Let's embark on this journey of self-reinvention, and embrace the shadows to become someone we're proud of.